Player interaction with Drillship plays a large role in Volcanoids, as it is the place where player spends most of the time. This dev diary will cover player movement inside the ship while going underground and player setting up a module layout. As always, we also had to do some minor ship model adjustments to meet new requirements. Hello and welcome to another Volcanoids dev diary. My name is Thomas and I will be your guide through this series focused on development of Volcanoids game. Many people ask us what the Volcanoids game is about. Well, let me do a quick recap of what's the final form of the game once we finish it. Volcanoids is a survival game set on an island with active volcano, where a player pilots and upgrades Drillship that acts as large mobile base. The volcano erupts in frequent intervals and player must be careful not to get blown away in eruption by staying underground in the safety of the base. Player travels across the island inside a drillship towards the main goal, silence the volcano. During this journey, player will have to fight enemy cog rays that uses the volcano as source of energy and will do anything to stop you. Now let's get back to development. This week we would like to show implementation of ship layouts. Layouts represent group of modules that are deployed and perform certain action. Layouts can be swapped if needed, so for example if production layout is active and enemy shows up, player can quickly activate defense layout that can deploy turret modules and keep all other modules closed. Player will be able to set his own layouts that can be strictly focused on production, or create more general layout that does a little bit of everything. The gangway between drillship sections had to be redone. After several testing rounds with player moving inside the drillship, we decided to change the ship's behavior when it goes from surface to underground. This made the old gangway obsolete and was replaced by the tube-like gangway, which solves all our design issues. This is first implementation of the new gangway to make sure everything really works as intended. So far it does work well from technical point of view, but in next iteration we will redo the entrance points and update the exterior of the drillship. Now that the whole drillship moves and has functional passages, we can ride inside while it goes underground. The main goal in this iteration was to ensure player is able to move around freely and will not fall through the ground at any point of drillship's movement. You can see the corridors move up and down as ship makes its way below the surface. That is all for this week. Next important part of the drillships are the exterior modules. More about their visual and Unity implementation will be covered in next dev diary. If you are wondering about the change in the background, we thought it would be nice to use edited afterblast state of the island to support the theme for upcoming Christmas holiday. We would love to hear your opinion and feedback about the development and dev diary series. So if you have any idea or suggestion, please leave a comment below the video. Thank you for watching and see you next dev diary.